Hi everyone! For this video, nandito kami ngayon sa Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto ng Pilipinas, dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Dito sa pinuntahan namin ngayong Easter Sunday guys, ay ang replika ng Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto in France.
Pupunta kami doon sa taas.
This grotto shrine is the most visited shrine during Lenten season despite being a private property. Pagpasok dito sa loob guys, malawak as in wide ang vicinity ng simbahan na ito, pero yung mismong church ay tama lamang.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine.
At alam nyo ba guys, ito ay ginawa as a Thanksgiving ng isang cancer patient na gumaling nung pumunta siya sa France. Nakakalungkot nga lang at hindi nga ito kinilala ng simbahang Katoliko. And the story is, gusto sana ng mga diocese ng Malolos na sila na ang magmamalakad ng grotto at maidonate sa kanila ang property, kaya lang hindi pumayag ang may-ari. That's why this church was not recognized by the Catholic Church and it was privately owned.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
The place was big and the area mostly, ang ibang mga tao dito guys ay ginagawang picnic venue dahil sa lawak ng lugar.
Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
The building guys is unfinished, but yung view dito sa top is very beautiful talaga guys. So we went here at the top to take some photos and videos, and after here we attended the mass inside. Hanggang dito na lang yung video ko guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel pag bago pa kayo dito guys. See you sa next vlog ko. Bye!
Wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.